Look at these roads of the United Kingdom, spotless, organized, and perfectly managed. As we begin this drive, notice the cleanliness outside these suburban homes. There is no litter, no broken pavements, and a clear sense of civic responsibility that makes the surroundings truly welcoming. Now, focus on the car parking. Not a single vehicle is parked wrongfully or blocking the way. Every car is in its designated spot, respecting the law. In Pakistan, we often see lines of cars parked haphazardly outside homes, narrowing our streets and creating unnecessary traffic jams. As we cross this bridge, look at how the urban structure blends with well-maintained greenery. In contrast, our cities in Pakistan are facing rapid concrete expansion, where green belts are often ignored, and waste management outside residential blocks remains a massive challenge. Following the traffic signs seamlessly, the flow never breaks. This is the power of strict rules and regulation. In Pakistan, despite having traffic laws, the lack of implementation, and a general disregard for lane discipline and signs lead to daily frustration and gridlocks on our roads. The real difference isn't just budget, it's the mindset. Here, citizens know their boundaries, and the system holds everyone accountable. If we want our beautiful homeland, Pakistan, to look this clean and organized, we must start respecting the civic sense right from our own doorsteps. Beautiful roads are not just built with asphalt.